Hi, ma'am.
Hi, good morning. Give me
Good
1 second.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, why do you look so
Good
Good morning, ma'am.
Just get ready for the network, okay?
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, I posted the yoga post. Me too.
Guys,
And good morning.
good morning. How are you?
I'm good.
Sleepy.
Sleepy? Who
Hungry.
said sleepy?
Hungry.
I am sleepy. Subra, turn on the camera, laser, Milan. Ihan, please turn on the camera. Action also. Why is everyone so tired? Did you not sleep yesterday?
I did, but my head is paining and my leg is paining. Hey, me
Yesterday
too.
when I slept, it was like almost like it was like 1 o'clock or something because
What were
my
you
leg
doing?
underneath because
One
underneath my
o'clock
leg.
I slept
No,
at
we went to the
2 o'clock.
bed. Went to the bed and
Decline.
it was paining. So like my leg was paining. So I was like,
Mine too. It felt like a knife piercing through my skin.
yeah, it was like paining so bad.
Each
And like my
each
father was
time I put my I think right leg down.
Do you know
why
why
did
I
you
ping
ping?
some people? Why did I ping some people?
Because their cameras are off.
Because the camera is off. If your
Phoenix
camera is
Cup. Phoenix Cup.
okay.
I'm in.
Hi, hi. Good morning.
Hi, Milan.
Okay, Milan's
Don't
camera
don't
is on.
don't I sleep.
Milan, you should be in assembly. He was doing something else after he joined. Okay,
Yeah.
still Laser and Ihan,
No, I was
do you want
completing something.
attendance?
I was completing a project. Damn it.
Not during assembly time, before that time. Okay, I have something to ask people. Did you see the last message that came in our group?
Damn, did you? Yes, 147 points or something.
Yes. So there's
That is
one
perfect.
there is one issue there. If anyone has created fake ID and posted, then our team will get negative point. Has anyone created a fake ID and posted review? Fake ID means you'll create an ID for just this purpose and review it. Has anyone created a new ID recently?
No, I don't even know how to create a new ID. No,
That's
I
nice.
didn't. I know how to make an
Why?
idea, but
Who
I
is
didn't
going to
because
the
I don't
Who is
want to.
going ahead? I want to
See,
see.
I
PYA1 are such good kids.
I'm gonna see
my
who
mom
it is. Wait, what?
my
What? Did
Barira
I
mom,
just see? Did I just see something?
what
Barira my mom.
what
Did I just see
okay,
something?
never mind. She already made me forgot it.
Oh
Okay.
no!
If you
Okay, I
have
was trying to say
created,
like
I
she
want you
was.
to delete that review, okay? If anyone has created an account recently for just review, please delete that, okay? That is
Oh
considered
no.
as fake review, and your team point, whether it is Phoenix or Griffin, both team.
Phoenix is ahead.
That's okay. Next time Griffin will be on top. Last time Griffin was on top.
Because Salim sir told you can make a lot of accounts and just review. Yep. We're dead. We're dead. We're
I
dead.
think Sir just
So dead.
misunderstood. That's not
He
what
also
Sir
told
meant.
he
Sir
also
meant
told
is
same for this Phoenix.
Sir, what sir meant is you can ask lot of people like your friends, family, and then you can give a out of review. I think that's what he meant.
So the same went to the Phoenix also.
Yeah, we have given that instruction to Phoenix also. All the class that instruction is going.
Yeah.
If Phoenix has many negative accounts, negative mark will be there. If Griffin has negative account, negative mark is there. Like people, we don't want that, right? Do you want that? I don't hear any no.
The last update was 15 hours ago. 16.
No, please don't open that during class time. Class time is for studies. I mean, please turn on the camera.
Phoenix, go ahead. What do you mean? Bro, it's okay, Milan.
Okay, everyone, share your screen. I know you're on the dashboard there. Close it, close it, close it. I mean, if you're not turning on the camera, you will not get attendance here. Please turn it on.
A dashboard? What is dashboard?
Dashboard means if when you're opening another tab and you're doing something. See, right now, Griffin has so many dashboard. Yes, mail opened up. Griffin's score is opened up. Close that, Milan.
No,
Close your mail.
the classroom only.
Close your mail.
Oh, yeah, forgot. Bye-bye.
Close the Google search.
Google search?
Yes.
No, whenever whenever I go to class, I have to keep that.
Everyone stand up. Stand up.
Because just in case
Stand up. Stand up. I'll count to three. Come on. Two. Three. Who's not standing up? Who is not standing up? Sidra, come on, stand up. Brira, or did I stand up? Okay.
Yes, I cannot stand up.
Jump three times. It's okay. Jump three
Yes,
times.
I
Let's
cannot
see.
even jump 3 times because my leg is broken.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I cannot jump either. My
Aishin,
shoes are so tight.
wake up, people, wake up. Jump.
Ma'am, I
Mental
cannot
is an energy.
Ma'am, my legs are stuck. This table is pushing me.
My legs
Ah,
are. Yes.
this chair is literally hitting me.
Okay, I thought you can close it. Okay, everyone sit down.
Let me
Sit down. Wake up! Wake up! Let's wake up! Let's wake up! Is everyone awake today?
Everyone, let's
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Hi, people. Hi, people. Hi. Good morning, ma'am. Goodbye.
Bye.